What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a really super quick look at VeChain here today, and as you can see, it does look as though basically we are having a little bit of a rollover with Bitcoin again, looking a little bit bearish in the market with the sentiment of the stock market, etc., looking pretty low right now. With a new recent news, obviously coming to light with the current world events. So you can see here, obviously, VeChain, we did come all the way up here, and we actually retested that previous level of support as resistance of that, basically the big macro channel that we have been trading in. You can see here, we have drawn this in for a long time now. And you can see we've actually come up, tested it as resistance, and basically found as though it is basically acting as quite a strong resistance right now, and we are in a little bit of a rollover. If you take a look at the hourly time frame, you can see what we mean here. You can see we have this support here at 5 cents, at the 050, sorry, not 5 cents, goodness me. 12 cents, got the 050 support. We lose it, we come down, we get that rising wedge, we get the overextension with the bullish divergence. We get the pickup off the bottom. We come up, we break out and we back test. We come out and we break out and we back test that descending wedge that we were in before, looking something like this. You can obviously see these are our levels now, extended out a bit. We basically come up, back test our previous falling wedge, looking really good. We come up and we actually double test this resistance here of the previous level of support flipped into resistance, and you can see here we've actually kind of rolled over since then in the market as well, with Bitcoin dragging the price of VeChain down. Obviously this is not ideal, and it does seem as though VeChain looking pretty bearish right now, not really able to recapture any of these levels of support, currently stuck under them as resistance, and we are slowly rolling over and basically falling down, heading to the downside right now, and not really getting those moves to the upside back up above these levels of support that you probably would want to see. Currently looking as though it is just currently sitting on this previous swing high resistance, flip back into support. Hopefully we can see another move to the upside pretty soon with Bitcoin heading up, and that would hopefully see VeChain coming back up above this 12-cent level, at least back testing his support, and then hopefully coming up as well and getting back up above this 12.5 to 13-cent area here, where we could see a back testing continuation, because overall we do want to see VeChain heading up pretty damn soon. And taking a look at the daily time frame, you can see quite clearly that we are still making higher highs and higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. But realistically, we don't really want to see VeChain coming back down towards this 10-cent level, because even though that would be a higher high and another higher low, it's obviously coming back inside of this big pennant formation that we did just try so hard to break out of here. You can see we broke out and we have back tested. So realistically, we only want to see VeChain coming back down to around 11 cents maximum before getting basically that double back test of that previous resistance flipped into support, and then really starting to move to the upside. Because overall VeChain, this is a crypto that really does need to start picking its way to the upside, because it is looking as though it's it's not performing exceptionally well over the past few months. It's struggling to get back up towards its all-time high, and we are not really seeing any of these parabolic moves that we did see for VeChain when we first started the bull market here. You can see how good the run up for it was, but it seems a lot of the attention recently has been diverted to crypto gaming, the metaverse. Obviously there's been reserve DAO hype as well, and just a lot of other cryptos have been taking the spotlight from larger caps like VeChain. We do think it will get its day in the sun, but obviously it's hard to tell right now, considering we're just looking at the charts, and right now things are looking fairly bearish. So if we roll over, as we said, we do want to see support being held at this 11.1 cent level, which is that previous pennant resistance flipped into support. Come back down and hopefully, retest it as support and get that big bounce to the upside. And obviously, if we do start to roll down towards that 10-cent level, further down here, at basically that level, what was it? the 038, it's obviously going to start looking, you know, pretty bad for VeChain, but it is what it is in the bull market, and if it's not performing, then it's not performing. Obviously, if we do start to move to the upside, which is what we're hoping for here, we do want to see getting back above the 050 at 12 cents, and then obviously coming back up again and getting into that 13-cent area here would be really nice to see. Basically making a little local uptrend like this would be very good to see. And we are still targeting that 14.7 cent level that we have been targeting for a good while. We do want to see ourselves getting up towards that and then coming up towards that 20-cent level as well, making that next higher high and continuing to the upside on this little uptrend that we have been in, because, you know, we do want to see VeChain starting to move back to the upside. And then beyond that, obviously, we really think VeChain is a top quality project. And when it does start to find its feet, we do reasonably think that 50 cents to $1 is a very attainable goal. That is only a 2 to 4x from the all-time high, by the way. But if it does start to, you know, get that parabolic move for the larger alts that we will be looking at towards the end of the run, we could be looking even at $2, maybe even beyond that, according to the fib. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.